to the air. MJX 414-207. Speed in the frame, speed in the frame. JX 12-212. Black carbon, different name. Brushless 12-12. Black carbon, different name.
Alrighty guys, so today we have these three cars that are mini or quite, well, not, well, kind of from mini to not that mini size monster truck. We have the MJX 14207. It's gonna be the first time that I jumped that car off a ramp. Then we have the MJX 12212. It's gonna be the second time that I jumped up off a ramp. And then we have the Terminator, Omni Terminator Rlaarlo, which I have jumped off the ramp 3 or 4 times before. Just to recap a little bit, the 12212, it has one of the worst body shells that I ever experienced in a car, and I kind of fixed it, but I don't know if that's going to hold the, you know, these jumps. And then the Terminator, it's also having problems with the body, but that one is not, that is actually really bad. It could be better, yes, but I have, you know, done a lot of testing with that car, so that car has resisted a lot. And I found a temporary solution. I already fixed it, and I got a brand new body, which I think I showed you pictures about that, but I'm not destroying that body. You know, I'm slowly buying new bodies for my cars to put them on my shelf, and that one is going to be just for show. So this one I'm planning just to, you know, keep fixing and then fix it, and just for the purpose of making the videos. I think it's gonna hold really good. And then 14207 is round spiking new. There you go. So the ram has 2 different heights. This is the first, okay? This is what I have been using so far to get a little bit more of experience, and now for the first time I'm trying the other one, which is pretty much double the size. So I designed that ramp in a way that I could actually do and use these are like pipes, and change the height at my convenience. It doesn't have the, you know, like the curve to actually make the cars jump properly. I know that, but again, it's my first experience, and so far has been working pretty well for me. So that's what I'm gonna be trying. Again, I'm far away of being a professional ramp jumper whatsoever, but I just enjoy it, man. I hope you guys enjoy it as well.
Fiber on the ramp, take its turn. MJX and Rlaarlo, they're carving out of space. A blur across the canyon, they're setting up the pace.
Like, this surface is a little hard for this little car, man, I'm telling you. All right, but looks good. So let's see. All right, not that bad for the first jump. Really good, really good. Right here, you see, guys, but not a big deal. I'll just glue them back. Boy, I really like this little car. What? Oh my goodness, I just can't believe this boy.
Started with the every drop of sweat you crash it on the cone for real.
Right guys, now is the opportunity for this boy. It should be better because it's quite a bigger car and the tires are, I would say, up to the task. All right, look, it is in difference of this boy, much, let's see if I can, much larger tires, look, so, and bigger wheelbase and everything. So this should be doing pretty good. Let's make it happen. All right guys, this should be better. This car should be doing pretty much very good with it. That was good. Liked it. Give me my spot. So this system really sucks. Look guys, this is amazing. Again, this car, the body is, you know, all worked. So for the purpose of this test, but again, I don't think so. I suspected the body went, you know, a little bit off, but I'm gonna fix it and just go back. Good, good. That was good. I mean, going to be proper jump. All right. Wow, that was amazing, guys. Oh my God.
Suspending, the suspension hits the sky. Midair in the canyon where the hawks go to die. Condor RC's watching, counting every beat. The revolution's landing and the titans better fear. A trilogy of monsters, the brushless system screams.